area. In California, Appleton Luzerne Valley, high wind warning in effect from 4 p.m. Monday to 4 a.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 4 p.m. Monday to 4 a.m. Wednesday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Wind. The first significant storm of the season will bring strong winds to the local deserts Monday afternoon through Tuesday night. The strongest winds will be Tuesday with gusts 55 to 75 miles per hour along the desert slopes and immediately below the mountain passes. Elsewhere, peak gusts will be 45 to 55 miles per hour. Visibility could be significantly reduced in areas of blowing dust and sand, most likely Monday afternoon and Monday night. Impact. Winds of this magnitude will make for difficult travel, especially for high-profile vehicles, and could cause property damage. Travelers along Interstate 10 and 15 and backslash south 395 could experience adverse conditions. A high wind warning means a hazardous highway event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. High wind warning for the following areas in California, Appleton Luzerne Valleys, and San Gorgonio Pass near Fanning. High wind warning in effect from 4 p.m. Monday to 4 a.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 4 p.m. Monday to 4 a.m. Wednesday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Wind. The first significant storm of the season will bring strong winds to the local desert Monday afternoon through Tuesday night. The strongest winds will be Tuesday with gusts 55 to 75 miles per hour along the desert slopes and immediately below the mountain passes. Elsewhere, peak gusts will be 45 to 55 miles per hour. Visibility could be significantly reduced in areas of blowing dust and sand, most likely Monday afternoon and Monday night. Impact. Winds of this magnitude will make for difficult travel, especially for high-profile vehicles, and could cause property damage. Travelers along Interstate 10 and 15 and backslash south 395 could experience adverse conditions. A high wind warning means a hazardous highway event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts